Welcome back to Codecraft by Aderemi. This is the part 2 of our personal portfolio website. Now that we have structured our page using HTML, it's time to style it with CSS and make it mobile friendly. Let's get right into it. Okay, we will start by creating a new file called style.css. It will be named style.css. We will now link it inside our index.html file like this. We'll save it. So we'll begin by resetting the margin and padding, then set a font. So the margin will be 0, the padding 0, and the box sizing we'll make it border box. So we'll move to the body of the HTML. The font family. And the background. F7. Okay, that's the background. They also have the color. Three. You have the line height. So that will give height to each line. So this gives our site a cleaner, modern look. So we'll move to the header. We'll style the header and the navigation text. Okay. We have the background. We also have the color. We'll make it white. We have the padding. So we have 20 pixels and 0. So we'll move to the nav. Here we have our list style. We'll make it none. Then it's going to display okay. Display flex. Justify content. Here we have space between. Then we are going to align each item to the center. Then we give it a padding to be 0 and 20 pixels. So move to each link. List type none here to display flex. Then we'll give it a gap which will be 20 pixels. Yeah, the anchor tag. The color will be white. The text decoration will also be none. You don't want it to show. Then we make the font weight to be bold. I think there's an error here. Let's look for it to correct it. Okay. Make use of the quick fix. Font weight. I don't know if it is the spelling. Okay, let's make use of the quick fix. Okay. So this creates a horizontal navigation with spacing and color contrast. So we're moving to the hero section. Background. Okay, we move to the padding. So the vertical and the horizontal will be 60 pixels and 20 pixels. We will align our text to center. So let's style the H2. So the font size will be 2 rem. Then we have the margin button, which is going to be 10 pixels. So move to the paragraph. The font size will be 1.1 rem. This gives your intro some breathing room and a friendly feel. So we'll do the same with the about section, the project and the contact. So all I need to do is copy and paste. And I'll change that from hero to about. We'll change them to about. So I'll also do the same for projects. Change them to projects. Change that to contact. So we'll style the form. Here we have display. So it's going to display flex. Then the flex direction is going to be in a column form. Then we give a gap of 10 pixels. And the maximum width will be 400 pixels. The margin is going to be octo and the padding will be 20 pixels. So the input type, the input and the text area, we're going to style both. So we give it a padding of 10 pixels. 10 pixels, and we're going to have a border that is 1 pixel solid black. So a solid brown. Border radius of 4 pixels. Let's start the button. Padding will be 10 pixels. Background. Let's have the color. Color white. So this is not going to have a border, so we'll make it none. So the cursor is going to be pointer. So anytime the cursor click on the submit, it's going to be showing pointer. Then make the transition to be 0.3 seconds. .3 seconds. So let's hover the button. We have a background. So in this case, anytime you click over on the submit button, it will change color. If you click on the submit button, it will change color. So we are doing that using the over. So let's start the footer. Background, color should be white. So we center our text. Now give it a padding. Now everything is clean, simple and easy to use. So we want to make sure that this portfolio works well on a mobile phone. So the maximum width will be 768 pixels. Let's start the nav. Flex direction is going to be column. So we are styling the list. Flex direction also column. Give a gap of 10 pixels. Then we'll add padding to the top. We add the padding to the top, which is going to be 10 pixels. So let's style each section. Give a padding of 20 pixels. You also style the H2. That will give it a font size of 1.5 frame. So this ensures your layout adapts nicely to smaller screens. So we'll save our file and refresh our browser. So we open our browser. Now once we refresh your browser, this is how it looks like. You now have a fully structured and styled portfolio page, ready to customize with your real content. Okay, this is the about section, the project section, the contact section. You can see the footer. Everything is being centralized. That wraps up part 2 of our portfolio build. We now have a clean, responsive, beginner-friendly website built with just HTML and CSS. Want to deploy this online or turn into a full multi-page site? You let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.